subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After several leaks and rumors, Oppo has now finally launched its new smartphone under Reno series in China called Reno 3 and Reno 3 Pro. Both these phones are first Reno series lineup that comes with 5G connectivity support. The Oppo Reno 3 Pro features a curved display with a punch hole at the top left corner for selfie camera. On the rear, it supports vertically aligned quad camera setup at the top left corner including LED flash. The physical dimensions of the phone is listed to measure at 159.4 by 72.4 by 7.7 mm and it weighs around 171 grams. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo Reno 3 Pro features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 90Hz screen refresh rate. The smartphone also supports an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication and the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset paired with Adreno 620 GPU. The device packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.1 storage. As per the camera, the quad rear cameras of Reno 3 Pro includes a 48 megapixel main camera with Sony IMX586 sensor and f1.7 aperture, plus 13 megapixel telephoto lens with f2.4 aperture, plus 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture, and a 2 megapixel black and white style camera with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras are capable of recording 4K videos with super anti-shake and a 5x hybrid optical zoom. For selfies, there is an 32 megapixel camera at the front with f2.4 aperture. The camera features include Night Sense mode, Portrait, HDR, AI Smart Beauty and more. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box based on the top of ColorOS 7. The smartphone comes equipped by 4025 mAh battery with 30 watts VOOC 4.0 flash charging support. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC, GPS, a USB Type-C charging port, and there is no 3.5mm headphone jack. Now, talking about the pricing and availability. The Oppo Reno 3 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant at 3,999 Chinese yuan, which roughly translates to 40,600 Indian rupees or $570 US. That goes on pre-order on December 31st. And the 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage variant is priced at 4,499 Chinese yuan, which roughly translates to 45,600 Indian rupees or $640 US, which is coming on January 10th in China. The smartphone will be available in white, black, starry night blue and sunrise color options. Additionally, there is also a classic blue version of Reno 3 Pro which is priced at 4,199 Chinese yuan for 8GB plus 128GB storage option. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno 3 Pro? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.